What did you think of that process?
It was very useful. It was kind of very good step-by-step getting to a solution. So I appreciated the kind of breaking it down. It was very easy and very positive. I enjoyed that.
This is the graphic from your problem solving, wasn't it, for yourself?
It is, yes.
And did that work for you?
Very helpful, and to know that we're not alone. There's more people that have exactly the same issues, whether it be boundaries or not sleeping. This has been very helpful, all resourceful. We've gone through it methodically. It's been brilliant.
And what did you make of the process?
Very positive. Communication between different parents and networking has been amazing, and knowing that people are going through similar situations and using that connection in the future as well with them, I think is really positive. So yeah, it's been great.